inside, come inside the walls, and this is the old town goal and its fortifications. We sit down to the Dutch whole city. Unesco World Heritage Site. Shooting one something. This whole walled city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So friends, let's talk about the Galle Fort. I mean, it is a historic fortification within the fort, the whole city. And basically it started with Portuguese who built this in 1588 after the captured Galle. It was a very small, very small area at the time, and then after the Portuguese, the Dutch took over in 1640 of the city of the Galle, and they basically expanded it and strengthened the wall. And then after the Dutch were the British, and they made this as an administrative area. So now if you go and look at the architecture, it's mostly European, so it's quite nice and it's very well maintained. There are about two main gates, the main old gate and the main gate, and I came through the main gate, and there were like 14 bastions, so you can walk around the whole wall and you will see them. And again, the street layouts and the architecture is very Dutch, and everything is very well preserved. The most notable structure is the Galle White House, which unfortunately I didn't have time to go on that side, but it's actually on the other side of the city. You can visit there. It's quite a landmark. And there's obviously the church. I showed you the church, and there's a national museum, and there's an old hotel which is quite quite significant site. And as you can see, there are a lot of jewelry shops, cafes, souvenir shop, and the atmosphere is really nice. I really loved it. So if you especially in the evening, if you just come down here for a coffee, for a drink, for a meal, come down here. It's really nice. And give yourself, I would say, 3 to 4 hours just strolling and enjoying and exploring the city. Also, what I found was you can exchange your dollars or your foreign currency. There, the jewelry shops I find in Sri Lanka are the best place where you can go and exchange the money. I did inquire about one of the jewelry. I mean, Sri Lanka is known for is I think it's sapphire or one of the rubies. I can't remember. It's very famous, but it was very expensive. So obviously I didn't buy it, but if someone is interested, you can actually go and explore and inquire. And apparently a lot of cruises come down here, a lot of big cruise ships come down here, and it's quite popular. People do buy these precious stones. So anyway, guys, I really enjoyed my visit here. I mean, Galle is quite a nice city. It's a predominantly Sinhalese, but they are Tamilians as well. So after the Gold City, I did go to there's another very beautiful Shiva temple, just about 5 minutes, 10 minutes walk. You can do the same if you want, if you're into that kind of a thing. But it was a really nice evening, and I really enjoyed. And my next step was, I took a train from Galle to Colombo. That's another video I will be uploading, taking you through the whole process of that. And then also my last couple of days in Colombo, and I think Colombo again, I was really surprised how nice the city was. So do come back and watch that video as well. So guys, if you haven't if you like my content, please like and subscribe, and obviously comment. And if you have any questions, do comment and I will answer. And until then, you take care of yourself, and goodbye. See you in the next video. Bye. Here in Galle, this is a very nice temple, mandir, Devarya, Shiva temple. अभी हम जाके देखते हैं. We're gonna go inside and have a look. And take the blessing.